everyone, what's up? Today we're going to Deira, Dubai, Bur, Dubai, and basically the entire old Dubai. This is going to be a very different adventure because I've been to enough places in the new Dubai, so this is drastically different. So let's get in and let's see what this place has to offer. Let's go. There's a garlic chai here for 1 dirham. Are you kidding me? This is the same Dubai that I was saying the other day is expensive as hell. And just look at this right now. I didn't drink it, obviously. I wasn't feeling like it. But I was surprised. Let's see what else this place has to offer. Okay, now it says here, good food is good mood. And absolutely, it is indeed. Look at the chai pouring down there. It looks nice, honestly.
Hello. Yes,
Okay, let's talk about it. So this place is called Al Sabqa in Dubai. And apparently this is an old market where people buy spices and clothes. This is mostly native to the Arabics, what I feel like. And most of it is shut, apparently. I don't know why, but it's shut. Today is Sunday, and usually in Dubai, Sunday is a holiday. So if I keep looking at this, some shops are open, don't get me wrong. Not every shop is shut. But like, let's go and see what the dresses are like. You see that? Right over there. There's the dresses. There's no branded shops. They're just regular traditional dresses, and the vibe of visiting this side of Dubai is actually kind of special. I have seen many TikToks where Dubai is like, wow, it's so big, it's so mighty and stuff. They don't show this side of Dubai, and I like this side, to be honest. See the dresses right there? Yeah. Similarly, look at these ones. They look great too. And there's a lot to eat and a lot to drink here as well. And similarly, I am not going to eat because I'm never hungry. So there we have it. Let's see what we have next.